collectively publish the semantical definition of a word based on how its sociological interpretation based on a collective group of people. So it's published based on how we interpret language or how we perceive it to be. So I find this to be a fascinating phenomenon, you know, not just the language in and of itself, but get into areas like logic, reason. Look, I'll give you a quick example. Logic is basically reasoning conducted or assessed according to strict principles of validity. It doesn't answer the question.
Nope.
No. Reasoning, right, is a cause, explanation, or justification for an action or event, right? Now, reasoning now, because of the inflectional morphological implication of the word ing, it alters the semantics. So the word reason was defined as a cause, explanation, or justification for an action or event. The meaning now is more modified now with the ing to a logical and sensible approach in which information is processed. Evidence is defined as the available body of facts or information underlying whether a belief or proposition is true or valid. All four words differ and reflect back. Logic uses reason, reason reflects back to logic, logic reflects back to evidence, evidence reflects back to proposition. When you go to premise, premise tells you proposition, you go to proposition, proposition tells you axiom.
Right, and you go back far enough and then you realize that all of these arguments are inherently flawed at their core.
Well, I won't say they're flawed. I mean, there's a level of imperfection to some degree, but you get to a point where you begin to see fallacies in everyone's argument. Because I'm not even getting into the subject. I'm getting into the foundation.
Yeah, just the definitions of the words.
What is argument? What is reason? What is deductive reason? What is inductive? What is abductive? What is reductive? What is counterfactual? How are arguments constructed? And then you begin to see flaw in everyone's argument.
Yeah.
Right. So, unfortunately, we did not have enough time to elaborate on this concept.
Yeah, well, tell you what, man, I think we got a fair way into it.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you coming down.
And I look cute as always. Sorry, I have to get that in.
You are looking quite dapper, I must admit.
Thank you very much.
But yeah, man, we'll tell you what, if you want to stick around, we can do another episode, and we can either continue with this or jump onto another topic.
I think you can trust your intuition if you want to. I think we did exactly. Are we on air?
Yeah, we're still going.
Oh, we're on the. Why can't we just continue? Why can't we just continue?
Well, we have 2 minutes, and then that'll be the end of one episode.